Most Americans can't cover a $400 emergency, yet saving just $10 a day, the price of your lunch, turns into $1.2 million by retirement. Not a typo. So here's the question nobody asks. What's actually happening to that $10 when you don't save it? Because the answer isn't just you spend it, it's way darker than that. Here's what's really going on. Every day you don't save that $10, you're not just losing $10. You're losing everything that $10 could become. That's called opportunity cost. And most people have zero idea how brutal it is. If you're 25 right now and you skip saving $10 today, that single $10 invested in an index fund averaging 10% annually becomes $452 by the time you're 65. One day, $10, 450 bucks, gone. Now multiply that by every day you wait, every coffee, every impulse buy, every "I'll start next month." That's not a small mistake. That's a retirement. Let's make this real with actual numbers. $10 a day is $300 a month. Here's what $300 a month does inside a basic index fund at 10% average annual return. After 10 years, $61,000. After 20 years, $206,000. After 30 years, $592,000. After 40 years, $1,594,000. You put in $144,000 of your own money over 40 years. The market gives you back $1.45 million on top of that. That's not investing. That's basically a cheat code. And here's the part that hurts. The last 10 years generate more wealth than the first 30 combined. That's compound interest. It's slow at first, then it's absolutely violent. So why doesn't everyone do this? Because $10 feels small. It feels like it doesn't matter. Your brain literally cannot feel the difference between having $10 and not having it. But it absolutely feels a new pair of sneakers, or DoorDash at midnight, or that random Amazon purchase you forgot about by Tuesday. This is called present bias. Your brain values right now way more than 40 years from now, and every financial system around you is designed to exploit that. Netflix, Instagram ads, one-click checkout. All of it is engineered to grab that $10 before you even think about saving it. You're not lazy. You're being outplayed by billion-dollar systems. But now you know the game. So what do you actually do? Step 1, automate it. Set up an automatic transfer of $10 a day, or $300 a month, into an index fund. S&P 500. Total market. Doesn't matter. Just start. Step 2, never see the money. If it hits your account first, you'll spend it. Route it automatically on payday. Step 3, don't touch it. Not for emergencies, not for vacations, not for anything. That's a different savings account's job. That's it. 3 steps, no strategy, no stock picks, no financial degree required. $10 a day won't feel like anything for years. Then one day you'll look at your account and it won't feel real. The only question is, are you going to start today, or are you going to watch someone else do it and wish you had? Subscribe. Because next week we're talking about what happens when you increase that to just $20 a day.